Hello, I'm Danny from Vantage, an automotive supplier for innovative electronic control units and measurement equipment. In today's video, we show you how to connect our equipment to your logging application. First, we're gonna have a look at the main part of the equipment, our SLA. As you can see, it is a really small box. It has an aluminum enclosure which is pickled and chromed, and on the front you can see the connectors. On the back you can find the type and also the serial number of the device. To bring the device to life, it needs of course power. For that we need the isolated DC-DC converter, which can operate between 12 and 24 volts. Of course the device and some power cables. Let's start with the first cable, which connects an external power supply and the DC-DC converter. You can see here the MQS connector. The other side of the cable is of course connected to an external power supply or the vehicle's battery. The other power supply cable connects of course the isolated DC-DC converter with the SLA. You can see two Molex connections. On the one side you have the Molex UltraFit connector, which fits perfectly into the DC-DC. On the other side you have the Molex NanoFit connector, which fits into the SLA. In logging mode, a typical customer application is to tap the video data between the camera and the ECU. To connect the ECU and the cameras, you have two connectors. The SerDes in for the cameras and the SerDes out to the ECU. To connect the SLA with your logging device, we have these optical cables. On the one side, an optical MPO connector, which fits into the SLA. And on the other side, this is the perfect connection to your logging device via these SFP Plus modules. This is the control port of the SLA, an RJ45 interface. It can be used to synchronize the device over GPTP with the Time Master. Furthermore, you can access the web server of the device over this connection. The only port which is left is the Aurora port. This port can be used to log additional ECU debug data. Please find more information in another video. Once everything is connected, the only missing thing is, of course, power supply. While the red LEDs are blinking, the device is booting. After that, the operating status is displayed via the green LEDs. So everything is connected right now. And now you can start to log your video data. That's it for today. I hope that helps. See you in the next video.